Hello everyone, how are you all? I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where we are going to teach you how to make these unique art and craft. Let's see what are we going to do. Let's see what are we going to draw. And here we have pasted so many sheets like this, and then with the help of the marker we are creating something unique and interesting crafts like this. Here's to the result. Keep on proceeding further and then paste the sheets like these in this manner alongside the mountain top, and then you can make it look like this. Further, fold the paper and get them attached in this manner. Now you need to open it further and get the strings attached in this way. Your hot air balloon is ready. Paste the clouds like this and then decorate it further. Pretty cool and amazing, isn't it? Now on a circular sheet of paper, make the drawings like these, and then you need to make it further to make it look like this. In this manner, what you need to do, you need to arrange it in this sequel and then make the fishes floating in this manner. Isn't it pretty cool and amazing? You can just draw the bubbles, and in this way you can just decorate your picture in this manner. Pretty cool and amazing. Isn't it looking so amazing and cool? Now let's proceed further and let's see what's there in store for all of us. Here, just cut the sheets in this manner and then the circular sheets. Then you need to paste it further and then make face look like this. Keep on proceeding further. Now you need to cut the sheet in this form and then make the eyes look like this and then the mouth and all. Just cut it in this shape, and what you need to do, just take the colorful sheets of paper and then you need to cut the lines alongside in this manner. Further, you need to paste it in this manner, make the curls and all, and then paste it further. Isn't it amazing? Now what you need to do, you need to just arrange it in this manner. Isn't it looking pretty cool and amazing? On a conical sheet of paper, what we are going to do, here you need to arrange the sheets in this manner and then get it attached and pasted it in this way. Now on a black sheet of paper, you need to paste the hearts like this, and then you need to arrange them further in this manner. You need to just paste the antennas and all in this way, and then the grasses and the clouds. Isn't it pretty cool and amazing? Further, what you need to do, you need to just paste the circular sheets in this manner to make a tree looking like this, and then paste it in this form looking damn amazing. Isn't it pretty cool? Now what we need to do, you just need to get the smashes of a paper, the cutouts in this form, and then take the conical sheet and then make it look like this, like a broomstick, and then paste it further in this way. Isn't it pretty cool? Paste it and make it look decorative further in this manner. Keep on proceeding further and then take the sheet of paper, paste the circular sheets like this and then roll it further in this manner. Further, you need to attach the plastic bottle and then you need to decorate it further, and your hanging lanterns are absolutely ready. Further, paste the sheets like this and then you need to just cut the green sheets and paste it further to make a beautiful and lovely dragon fruit. With the help of black marker, you can make the dots and make it look realistic. Thank you guys.